Doing a quick unboxing and maiden flight of the KF700. So I just picked this up. It's a brushless motor, twin J20 aircraft. Is supposed to have, you know, vertical mode, and then also, you know, a very powerful brushless motor to let you go ahead and do some stunt flights with it and whatnot. So we're gonna check it out. So I'm gonna turn it sideways there like this. This is how you know it's in vertical mode. So you turn it up like this, and I should be able to do a vertical launch. Let's go. I got it in the air. Kill the throttle. Pretty good flyer. So I can get an idea of what this plane looks like in the air, guys. All right. Not too bad. Flying at a high rate. You got to give it gas for it to make these turns, they say, so it doesn't stall. All right, so I've got a beeping transmitter and flashing lights, so I'm not gonna keep it in the air too long. I just kind of want to get an idea of what it's gonna be like to control it. Immediately, what I love about this plane is the other J20 I had in this same park that I'm in right now was losing signal. That's the FX9630, the EDF version. So I'm happy that this transmitter seems to be controlling pretty good without losing the signal. I couldn't even get this far away. And that one's supposed to be advertised for, what do they say, 500 meters or 300 meters or 150 meters, something like that, which is definitely not even that far as far as I am now. 2S, flying it right now at high rate, and she wants to climb, so I'm bringing her down a little bit. She got a lot of power to her. Slow her down a little bit. Let's see if we can get her in vertical mode. Let's get out of vertical mode. This plane is awesome. It's doing a pretty good job. I'm not even adjusting any trim or anything. It's dead on. All right. We don't want this battery to run out.
In conclusion, I had a blast flying this plane around. I really recommend it. KF700 is a great beginner airplane as well as a more advanced airplane. There are other things it can do, which I'll demonstrate soon in a future video. Once again, I enjoyed myself. Highly recommend this, the KF700 RC airplane.